How to change the display name of your Google account. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the display name on your Google account. So watch this video till the very end to know how you can do that. First of all, you can simply go on the Google, or you can also go on the Google Chrome of your phone. Just tap on the top right side, select the Google account that you want. After that, just tap on manage your Google account. And after you simply do that, just open your Google account and you will see many options right here like home, personal info, data and privacy, and many others. Just tap on personal info from here. After tapping on personal info from here you will see the name of yours. Like the name is Ambika Awasthi, then you can simply tap on this. After tapping on this, a new interface will be visible on your screen. And then after this, you can simply edit the name. So you can edit the name and change your display name on Google account by anything that you prefer. So just tap on this, and that's how you change the personal info as well as your display name on Google account. Try it and see if it works or not. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe for more videos like this, and also comment on our comment section below.